Good afternoon, respected sir, and my all dear friends. My name is Subham Yadav from BTech Civil third year, and I am going to present a PPT on Chenab Rail Bridge, in which content that is introduction, need for Chenab Rail Bridge, design details, design concept, geology, foundation, slope stabilization, deck and arch construction, pre-stressing cables, precautions taken during execution, material used in bridge, challenges faced during construction, key points, conclusion. Chenab Rail Bridge Introduction. The Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link is the most challenging project in India. It's slightly essential to provide a reliable transportation system and to Jammu and Kashmir to join its valley to Indian railway network. Chenab Rail Bridge is located in high Himalayas and comes with extremely complex, fragile and geological features like folds, faults and thrusts. Bridge has been designed blast load in consultation with DRDO. Need for the Chenab Rail Bridge. Locals and tourists found it difficult and unsafe to travel and around the rugged terrain of Jammu and Kashmir. As a result, a national railway bridge connecting Jammu and Kashmir to the rest part of India is being built. People need to travel extra to cross the steep valley, but Chenab Bridge helps to the tourists to save time and money. Design details. The bridge is built in the shape of gigantic steel arch. The Chenab Bridge is a steel arch railway bridge. Its length of span is 1315 meter. The deck is 359 meter high. The span of the arch is 485 meters. There are 17 spans in total. The pier's maximum height is 133.7 meters. There are 2,487 sleepers used in this rail bridge. This rail bridge is made of 93 deck segments. Each deck segment is of 85 tons in weight. Design concept. The existing structure and landscape of the site has been fully taken care of so that obstruction due to piers would be negligible. The fixing of the foundation size had also been given due to weightage so that the edge on the water side was maintained. All the components of the bridge were designed to work together and complement each other aesthetically. It had further been ensured that the substructure and superstructure box have been same width, that is 5 meter in cross section, so that the slenderness and sleekness of the structure is maintained. This was done to enhance the aesthetics, which is in fact a visual delight as actually seen. Superstructure has been given parabolic profile in elevation. Geology. The Chenab Bridge is situated in most difficult portion of Jammu and Kashmir, which is characterized by young Himalayan rock, broken rock with dolomitic limestone, firestone, lentils with a silicate concentration make up of topography. There are rocks of class 3 to 5 with a strength of 60 to 100 megapascal and volume weight of 2.7 ton per meter cube. The RMR, that is rock mass rating, is a measure of amount of rock in the certain area. Foundation. To set up the establishment for the extension in the troublesome territory, safe uncovering at two sides of the valley is being ready for a terrific scope. Penetrating for establishment. The tallest wharf is 137.7 meter. A particularly tall design is required. Gigantic establishment. Slope stabilization. The side slant of the valley differs 43 to 77 degree. The inclined adjustments are finished by Indian Organization of Science after uncovering of rock bolt of design length of 4 meter, 8.5 meter and 11.5 meter are introduced. Uniting with steel support is being to reinforce and balance out the slant. Deck and arch construction. At the point when long steel sections are prepared, the steel deck will be pushed on the segment. After this, a derrick will be set on the top of the deck. Deck erection will be continued the while with the erection of the curve. Both curve and deck cantilever unreservedly by up to 48 meter. Conclusion of the superstructure is finished through derrick erection. The deck of the extension is halfway straight skyline and part of the way in bends. It is situated in progress bend with evolving span. The deck of the extension will be welded in workshop about 8-meter long segments. Pre-stressing cables. For pre-stressing, 62 numbers of cables at junction of web and deck slab have been used. For cantilever erection of bridge, 32 number of cables on either side of the box have been concentrated at junction of web and deck slab. The provision for future pre-stressing has been kept by providing 5 number of 110 mm diameter holes in the diaphragm. Precautions taken during execution. The conglomerate strata encountered during excavation of foundation was excavated with the help of drilling and control blasting to avoid threat to life and properties. The site being very near to the residential area of the army units and Buddhist ruins. To avoid deflection due to unbalanced load during the construction, a properly designed bent on both sides of the piers have been erected. Materials used in bridge. The bridge's construction involved the fabrication of 28,660 metric ton steel, 10 lakh earthwork and other work. Arch bridge is completely made of steel foundation and approach viaduct piers are made of concrete. Challenges faced during construction. The rugged Himalayan terrain itself was the biggest challenge for the project. Due to lack of connectivity infrastructure in the mountainous region, local workshops and print shops were set up on either side of the Chenab River. The water used for making concrete was also piped from far away distances. Key points. 2,487 sleepers are used in this rail bridge. SR steel is used in construction of arches because of its high load carrying capacity. Broad gauge are used. Deck height above river bed is 359 meter and above river surface is 322 meter. The total length of the bridge is 1315 meter including the 650 meter long viaducts on northern side. Arch span is 467 meter. The total cost of construction is 486 crore rupees. Conclusion. The design of the main arch requires consideration of a number of additional parameters such as fatigue, global stability, composite action, etc. It is also required that such a bridge is designed to achieve a consistent level of reliability for all load cases, and that the design standards that has been considered in the current design as well. The bridge will be biggest/highest railway arch bridge ever built in the world. Its design offered great challenges to the project team. Thank you.